Hi everyone, I hope you guys having a great day. In today's video, it's going to be an unboxing two items from LB that I got and I wanted to share with you guys. These items are part of my wish list, which I don't think I'm going to be able to get everything that I want because most of those items has been discontinued and some of them are never available on the website. So it's just becoming very hard for me to get these items. So if I really want them, I'm gonna have to pay probably more than retail price, but we'll see. Okay, so I already got these out of the boxes because they had my address everywhere, and no matter how I do it, it was gonna show. So, but I haven't seen these items yet. So this is the first one right here. This is the receipt. It says Louis Vuitton. Comes like that. I love the new ribbon. This is the ribbon that they are using, or they started using from last year for the holidays. This is my first red ribbon and it's gorgeous. Okay, it opens like so. It says Louis Vuitton. And these two are going to be small leather goods. Goes like this. You ready? Ta-da! This is the cis key holder on the Damier Ebene print. The hardware is gold. Here it says Louis Vuitton. This is how it looks on the back. Opens like that. It's brown in the inside, and here, let me see what's it got here. These are the little papers that come with it. This is what it looks like. This is where you're supposed to put your keys in there. It's brown and it's made in France. Here have a little, I don't know, like a little space in here. If you want, you can put your ID or a credit card, debit card. It looks like this. I think I'm gonna have it hand stamped with my initials right here. So this is one, and this was a gift from my husband. He got it for me. He told me that he got it, so I took it on my wish list and I was so happy. Now the next item, I didn't get that one on the LB website. This one I got it on this page on Facebook, and this lady that I already bought some stuff from her before, and I trust her really good, so I decided to get this item. When I saw that she posted it on her Facebook page, I was like, oh my god, and then it was brand new too. I said yes. So this is how it comes. This is a thank you card that she sent. That's what it looked like. It says, thank you very much for your purchase. Enjoy your new key pouch. Yep. Comes like this. And I've been waiting for this one to be available, which it was available last year in December a lot of times, and I don't know why I didn't get it. I thought, okay, I'll get it later, and then now it's not available. So yes, I did not pay retail price for this. I pay a little more, was $365. But she does payment plans, so she allowed me to do that. So I paid this one over 4 weeks, so which it was good. Ta-da! This is the Damier Ebene key pouch. Here it says Louis Vuitton. This one says Louis Vuitton right there. Gold hardware. It looks like that. The little cards that they send. She also sent me a receipt so that I can have for my personal uses I want it. This is the key ring. This is what it looks like in the inside. It's brown. And this one is made in France because she stated that on her webpage. It says France. I had the monogram on this one, and I'm looking for the Damier Azur, but that one is discontinued, so I'm gonna have to find it somewhere else and probably pay a little more because it's discontinued. What do you guys think? It's so pretty. I love it. There they are. I'm so happy because I was waiting for these ones to get this for so long, and finally I got them. I can't wait to use this. Now I'm waiting to see if I can get the Speedy 25. That I will love to get that one. If not, I also would like to get the Alma BB on the Damier Ebene. But yeah, so these are my two beauties, you guys. Tell me which one is your favorite, and if you have one, which one you have, or maybe you have both. Okay, you guys, so that was everything for today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe. We'll see you next time very soon. Bye bye.